Okay, so a lot of you have been asking how can I get RStudio and R onto my laptop, which is a fair question. It's a difficult one for me to answer because it completely depends on what sort of device you're using. In other words, is it a Mac? Is it a Windows 10 machine or something else? So often there's a bit of hacking to do to get it to work in each individual case. And it's not easy for me to give some sort of general instructions on how to do this. But I think I found a solution for you in the form of RStudio Cloud. So if you go to RStudio.com, okay, you should see this. And if you go to products, there's one called RStudio Cloud. Go and take a look at this. And if you log in, now you can either create an account by signing up. I've just logged in with my Google. So I'm going to log in with my Life Science Google. And what you get is this. So at the moment, you can create a new project in the same way you can create a project on RStudio. Let me just show you what that looks like. So if I create a new project, it takes a little while. Wow, okay, it takes a little while indeed. Stick with it. Stick with it. Come on. Okay, there you go. So, this should look familiar to you. I've actually got an R project file. I can rename that. Let's say I was doing Liverpool-Everton. Do that. That should update that eventually. I can even get rid of this and it will look identical, almost, apart from this top bar up here, to my RStudio if I had a local version. I'm pretty sure I could do everything that I could do using RStudio using this. So that might be a good way of getting around this issue of installing stuff on your laptop. Another thing is, down the bottom here, there's so much information. So there are cheat sheets and what's the other one I was looking at here a second ago? Primers, what's this? Yeah, working with data, visualizing data. So, writing functions, iterating, so much good stuff in here. So if you ever want to take R further, you can. And I hope you do. So maybe that's a good solution to the issue of getting RStudio onto your your laptop. So then you can use it outside the workshops. Just to remind you of the upcoming tests at the end of week 12, there are going to be questions on the test that will require you to use RStudio. Okay, so if you're determined to do that off campus, you are going to need a working version of RStudio to do that. Personally, my recommendation to all of you is to do it on a university PC. And actually, that is the general policy for any online tests for fear of losing connection. If you do it on a university PC, I can help you out. If you do it on your laptop, then you've been warned and I can't. Okay, all right, I hope that was useful. Let me know if it was. Send me a message on Teams.